Today I was just going to be working on this vehicle. These are going to be 206 Toyota Corolla that I'll be working on. You can see from the damage, the front bumper is actually damaged, so I just gotta do some work. So I'm just going to show you guys what I have to do on this job. Just follow me, guys. And also, if you're new to this channel, please kindly consider to subscribe. So as you can see from the wreck, I want the camera to stable. You can see from the wreck, I have no front bumper, it's gone. And also from the wreck, if I lift the hood, you can see the frame is bent. So I'll be pulling the frame out. Other than that, and also I have to line up the hood because the frame actually shifted to this other side a little bit. So I'll be lining that up. So I just want to show you guys the way how I pull cars. I have a frame damage or whatever is damaged. I want to show you guys how I normally pull cars. So guys, just follow me this journey
to actually
and
pull this vehicle, right? Because I don't have a pulling machine, so I have a chain and I tie it to, there's a tree in my house by my backyard, so I tie it to the tree. So and I put another chain into the frame that was bent. It was pushed in a little bit so the hood doesn't close. So what I'll be doing, I tie it off, and now I'll be backing up the car a little bit so I can pull it. So I just gotta do it gently. All right, guys, just follow me as I pull this out. Yeah, it's actually working great. I just gotta pull it one more, a little bit more. Yeah, that was perfect. These I got the frame pulled out. You can see I pulled it out. It was super easy. Now I just gotta release this chain. So I'm done pulling. All right, now the hood should be able to close properly. All right, guys, that's how I do it. Now, I'm done pulling. So right now, I just gotta put the bumper back on. Continue where I stopped yesterday. So definitely what I want to do right now, I want to prep this front bumper that I'm gonna be painting. I'm gonna prep it, so I just gotta, make sure I sand it. I want to sand it down a little bit, so because I have to paint it. So you guys just follow me. I'm done prepping, so now I have to use this. It's a plastic adhesion promoter. It's a primer, so this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to prime the plastic before I actually paint it. All right, so this one actually it helps the paint. It promotes adhesion. So this is I'm going to use to prime this plastic. So pretty much the car is done. So guys, actually I'm done with the car now, so it's ready to go back to the owner. So it only took me 3 days to fix everything, you know. So it went from these. I'll put so as you can see from the wreck, I want to carry out the stable. You can see from the wreck I have no front bumper. It's gone. And also from the wreck, if I leave up here, I put it up somewhere the way it looks before now today. So the car is super ready. You can see everything is super clean right now. Super clean right now. So very super clean right now. It only took me 3 days to put all this back together. So alright guys, please kindly consider to subscribe. So, alright guys, please kindly consider to subscribe, like this video, share it, and I'll see you in the next one.